Welcome back to Math for class 12th. Good morning, student. Today's topic operation on matrices. Operations on matrices. Okay. So now let us properties of the matrix. So, properties of matrix. Properties of matrix addition. Under addition, okay, addition matrix. So property first, associative property means law. This property as a ABCR matrix, so A plus B plus C equal to A bracket close B plus C is also okay. Second property, commutative property means law, okay. A plus B equal to B plus A is verified. Third, the existence of additive identity under additive identity is 0. So A matrix plus 0 equal to 0 plus A matrix, that is equal to A. No any effect of matrix. And fourth, the existence of additive inverse. Additive inverse means same. Then A sum of opposite sign of its matrix, this equal to minus A plus B, okay, equal to 0. 0 is a additive inverse matrix, okay. And next property of multiplication of the matrix, of a matrix multiplication, and this given as an addition of this multiplication. So first property, associative the associative law, same. A plus B change to multiply, A bracket B C equal to A bracket B to C, it's valid. And second, the distribution law, A bracket B plus C equal to AB plus AC. AB AC, A is first, so then other term is also first, okay, coming first. AB AC, not BA not CA, okay, because distributive law under multiplication is not valid. Clear? Third point, the existence of multiplicative identity. Existence of multiplication multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity 1. So I is a matrix, identity matrix. A, this equal to AI equal to A, right? Commutative law. is not valid. AB is not equal to BA in matrix. In matrix, this law lie in numbers but not lie in a under multiplication matrix. Okay, under multiplication matrix is not valid. This is important. This question is coming in the IIT examinations. Okay, so now let example 15. This important example for this question. 15. Find AB if matrix A equal to this 0, -1, 0 and 2. Okay, and B this equal to 3, 5 and 0, 0. Matrix AB, this type here AB, multiplication property. Okay, A this 0, -1, 0, 2. Okay, and again 3, 5, 0, 0. This rule of multiplication property AB. So first row multiply in first column and second column and third column and so on. Okay, first column multiply in all columns. First row multiply first row of a first matrix multiply in second column, first column, again so on. This find a only first element. Suppose first row multiply in first column, this type ऐसे 0 into 3 plus use -1 into 0. Clear? This is a one first element or first row, and first row multiply in second row, so 0 into 5 and -1 into 0 plus -1 into 0. Okay, and same 1, 2 also clear, and same second row multiply in first column and second column, 0 into 3. Okay, 2 into 0 plus 0 into 2 at 0, and same this. Clear? 0 into 3 plus -1 into 0, 0 into 5 and -1 into 0. Okay, this 0 into 3 0, or 2 into 0 this, or 0 into 5 plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0. Important question. 3 into 0 0 plus this 0, 3 into 0 and -1 into 0 0. This is also 0 and this is 0 plus 0. Okay, so this find 0 plus 0 0, this 0, this is a 0 matrix. That's your answer. Clear? 0 matrix. Okay, now let exercise 3.2 question number 1. Okay. This type. Okay, now let this exercise 3.2. Okay, now question number 1, first part. Now let first part. Okay. First part, if let A equal to 2, 4, 3 and 2 and B equal to 1, 3, -2 and 5. Okay, find first part already. A plus B. Okay. A plus B. Yes, put A 2, 4, 3 and 2 plus this B value 1, 3, -2 and 5. Add element by element. First plus 2, this 2 plus 1, clear, and 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 3 plus -2, 2 plus 5, Okay, equal to in capital bracket 2 1 3 4 3 7 2 minus 3 minus 2 1 this 7. That your answer. Okay, and let fourth part is the multiplicative part. Okay, AB OB you will also find AB this equal to A 2 4 3 2 clear, and 1 3 minus 2 5, and same first row second column 2 1 are 2 and 4 minus 8 clear, 2 into 3 6 4 into 5 20, 3 into 1 3 or 2 2s are 4 minus 4, and same 3 3s are 9 or 2 5s are 10. This equal to 2 minus 6 6 plus 26 and 3 minus 4 minus 1 and this 19. That your answer. And also okay, this is a multiplication rule. Under addition question number 2 can you solve? No. Question number 2 part first, let AB minus BA plus AB BA. Okay, this A plus A plus A, B plus B minus B plus B, A plus A is equal to A 2A 2B and 0 and 2A. Okay, that's your answer. Take 2 common, you can take 2 2 row 2 column 2 row, so this A B and take 2 common, multiply on outside 0 and A. This is also 4 into this A B 0 A or this term. Okay, yes, this is also right answer and the A common. Next question number 3 part second. You can doubt of second question, second part 1 2 3. This is a column metric or this is a row metric 2 3 and 4. This equal to first row second row third row, multiply first second third column. Okay, 1 into 2 1 into 2 1 into 2. Okay, 1 into 3 1 into 3 1 into 4. Okay, this is a row. 2 into 2 2 into 3 2 into 4. Okay, third second third 3 into 2 and 3 into 3 3 into 4. This is matrix 2 3 4 4 6 8 6 9 and 12 is the new matrix. Clear? This multiply and then after find solution, this is get your answer. Okay, now let question number 4 is same this type questions, 5 is also this type question, and 6 is also same but a trigonometric function. Okay na? So now let question number 6 and solve question number 1 to 6 only today, and then after next video question number 7 to 20. Okay, so now question number 6 as a trigonometric question. Trigonometric is question 6 question. Simplify cos theta cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. This is a plus sin theta multiply in this matrix sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta. Okay, this sin theta by this rule k constant A plus B matrix equal to KA plus KB, not KB, K, this one, cos into, in each and every element, cos into cos, cos square theta, cos into cos, sin, cos theta, sin theta, okay, cos theta, sin theta, cos into cos, cos square theta, this is a first matrix, and plus second, this multiply sin square theta, sin theta minus cos theta, and sin into cos, sin theta, cos theta, and sin into sin, sin square theta, okay, and add cos square sin square theta plus sin square theta, cos, this second column, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, okay, this minus cos theta sin theta plus sin theta, second one cos theta, okay, cos into cos square theta plus sin square theta, okay, this cancel, this plus minus cancels here, cos square theta minus is equal to 1, 0 is 0 and 1, okay, sorry, by cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1 property use, this is a identity matrix answer, okay. Solve homework question number 1 to 6 with all part, okay, thank you.